Just thought I'd sneak in and work on a cheeky Saturday morning. I didn't think there'd be anyone here. I was going to chuck the spacers on the GTR, put the tail light looms in. Turns out bloody...
Fucking everyone.
Everyone's here. I'm the late one. Juzzy was doing a cashy. Had a new fella that started this week, Roman, Timmy Trumpet, he was here. Who else we got here? We got Will's doing some BMW repairs up there. Jace over the road's got the bloody ute out, doing peel outs up the road. So try and get Kyle on video. He usually hides. Yeah, just going to chuck the spacers on now and tail light looms, and then we'll probably have a crack at trying to get some boost off the line into my launch control, because I tested it last night with my new tune, and she's currently at 0 pounds of boost. So we're definitely going to need some boost off the line if we're going to give Eaglefarm a bit of a run at the track day in 2 weeks. So we'll rip into that now and see how we go. So we're sorting out this GTR terrible fitment today, fitting some 25 and 20mm spacers. So those stock wheels sit really far in, even with 305s on the back, they sit too far in. Not a fan. So we've got some Just Jap 25mm and 20mm spacers, and some black wheel nuts and some tail light looms, because we currently have mismatched wheel nuts and it looks retarded. Just tucks in. Be perfect. Just come off the jack, so it'll sit down a little bit more than that, but pretty perfect. They fit bloody primo. Get these front ones fitted up, see how that looks. So I've got these front spacers on, and I started noticing these hubs had a bit of wear on them, and then I noticed it's because the pads have been hitting them. So someone's fit some shitty aftermarket rotors with stock style pads that don't actually clear. So even though I've got a fair bit of pad left, we're going to have to do something about that and get some new pads and rotors shortly. So that'll probably be my next mod. So in true ADM fashion, they managed to only go with 2 tail lights instead of 4, despite it actually being a GTR. So it looks like some weird fucking hybrid thing. So can chuck those harnesses in and get all 4 tail lights working. So I've actually got a bit of corrosion happening in my plug. Sorry for the greasy bloody camera lens and just blowing it all out, but give that a bit of a clean up, see how we go. Anyway, that's a bit better. See how we go. Well, at least if nothing else, I found out why my reverse camera doesn't work. It's unplugged, so I'll plug that back in and see if that actually fixes it, because this whole time I've had the car, I've had no reverse camera. Just been too lazy to look into it. Now I've actually got GTR tail lights. All 4 lit up with just the Parkers, the way they're supposed to be. Bloody primo. Right, got the spacers all fitted up. She's all cleaned up. Cole gave her a wash yesterday. Ready to go down to Joe's Diner. Fitment's primo again. Not too spicy, so shouldn't scrub too bad. Shouldn't scrub at all.
Yeah.
Seas at Joe's.
We're on the YouTube.
Where are you going? Going to Joe's?
Yeah.
See you at Joe's, dogs. It's the next day now, and I went and bought some new wheels for the GTR off Marketplace, off a fella named Shane, actual Mad Dog. Had a good chat with him while I was there at his place picking up the wheels. He ended up actually watching the channel and watching the videos, so thanks for that, buddy. And yeah, so I'll show you those wheels we've got, and that'll probably be it for this video for now. So it's just another set of 09 GTR wheels, full set. These are actually painted gloss black. One of them's got a few scuffs and stuff on it, which is not the end of the world for what I'm going to use them for. They're actually in quite good condition. Tyres are absolute garbage, but that's fine. They're going straight in the bin. The reason they're going in the bin is picked up some Mickey Thompson ET straights, 275 40 20 fronts, and 305 35 20 rears. So I'll be whacking those on those black wheels for track day, and try and chop Eaglehawk, give it my best shot. He's probably still got more power to weight than me, so probably still a bit faster, but we'll try and get him out of the hole. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that sort of YouTubey stuff, and really appreciate everyone watching and giving comments and all that. So yeah, thanks guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Check out Kyle's little step ladder here so he can clean his roof. That's cute. Huh.